Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today, Ring just announced 4 new products in their lineup. Today, we're going to take a look at those products and see if they're going to be worth the upgrade. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Just today, Ring announced 2 new video doorbells. We have the Video Doorbell 3 and the Video Doorbell 3 Plus. And they also just announced 2 new chimes. Now, all 4 of these products are going to be released on April 8th, but they are taking pre-orders right now. Before we jump into the details of these products, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future video announcements like this one. With that said, let's dive in. So the last time Ring released their Video Doorbell 2 was back in June of 2017. So it's almost been 3 years since we've had an update to their very popular Doorbell 2. So I had pretty high expectations that there was going to be a lot of new tech in this camera, especially since we're seeing some really cool things from Arlo with their 1:1 aspect ratio and some really cool things from Eufy with their 2K camera built into their doorbell. High expectations for Ring. But unfortunately, taking a look at their website here, the design of the doorbell looks exactly the same. A couple of new features that this device comes with is that it has new advanced motion settings. So with the previous Doorbell 2, you could detect motion anywhere between 15 and 30 feet and adjust it accordingly. But for people who were close to streets and getting notifications all the time, with this new Video Doorbell 3, you can actually set that all the way back to 5 feet away from your door. So you only get things that are close to your door, which is really nice because I'm one of those people with my cameras that suffer being close to a street. And so I'm getting notifications all the time. I would love to be able to pull that back. So that I thought was a really cool feature. The second feature with the Doorbell 3 is that they've boosted the Wi-Fi connectivity. So not only can you connect to the 2.4 gigahertz, it now also supports the much faster 5 gigahertz network. Now you're going to need a 5 gigahertz router to support that, but if you do have that, this is going to be an awesome feature right here. Now, in addition to the Doorbell 3, there's also the new Doorbell 3 Plus. Now it comes with all the features of the Doorbell 3 with one included feature called Preroll. Now, if you take a look at the description of the Preroll, it says, see what triggering alert with 4-second Preroll. Take that alert with your 3-second look back. With the improved sensor design and sharper contrast, you'll never miss details, day or night. Now, one thing it does mention about this 4-second Preroll is that the 4-second Preroll is recorded in black and white and in a lower resolution, but this is to conserve battery life. So it is definitely a cool security feature, and I'm looking forward to testing it out when I get my hands on it. So in addition to the 2 new doorbells that just came out, we also have 2 new chimes. We've got the Chime and the Chime Pro. Now, looking at the design of these, I like the look so much better than the original chimes where you can see a speaker box in it. I like the new look of this. What this chime is going to do is it's going to connect to the camera and be able to put an additional chime in your house. So when somebody rings the doorbell, if you're on the other side of the house and don't hear it, this is going to allow you to do that. So the Chime Pro is just like the Chime, but with a few extra features. It has a built-in Wi-Fi extender, so it can extend your 2.4 and your 5.0 Wi-Fi, which will give you an extra boosted signal to your doorbell if you plug it in close there. And it also has a built-in nightlight, which I thought was a pretty cool little feature to add. Unfortunately, these Ring chimes only connect to Ring products, so you can't use that Wi-Fi extension on other things that you have in your house. If you are looking for an overall Wi-Fi extender for your house, Ring does sell a product called Eero. That will give you a Wi-Fi mesh network, although they are pretty expensive. So now the big question, is it worth the upgrade? Personally, I'm gonna say for most people, no, it's not gonna be worth the upgrade. It's pretty much the exact same thing, same camera, same app. You're not gonna notice much of a difference. The people who it's really gonna benefit are people who live close to a street, who are getting just tons of notifications that have essentially turned into white noise. The new features on here, being able to pull that motion all the way back to 5 feet, anywhere to 30 feet from your door, is kind of a nice feature. The other benefit with both these cameras is that they do both support the 5 gigahertz wireless network, and that is just going to give you a much faster connection if you have a strong signal by your door. If you don't, you can buy the Chime Pro to boost that signal to improve the connection to your router. Now, if you are looking for added security and you're noticing that you're not getting the beginning of those clips, seeing people walk up to your door, then the Pro 3 Plus would be a good option for you to look into. It does have that pre-roll technology, which it does boast is the only battery camera that provides that at this point. So if you wanted some extra security, maybe look into that Doorbell 3 Plus. Now, a cool thing, if you guys are looking for an upgrade, Amazon does offer a trade-in offer. So if you buy this product through Amazon, which I'll have links below for you guys if you want to check this product out, on the Amazon page when you're buying, there is going to be an option up in the corner that says trade-in. you're going to select that whatever Ring device that you currently have registered right now. Since Amazon does own Ring, it should be registered in the Amazon software there. You will have to be logged into your Amazon account. You're going to select your current Ring doorbell, send that in, and then you'll get the trade-in value back for the new doorbell. Now, I don't know what that value is. It's probably going to be different per person, and depending on the quality of the device that you're going to send in, how damaged it is, if any. But that is a pretty nice option if you guys are looking at upgrading. If you guys are current Ring Video Doorbell users, I did a video a while back talking about 5 tips to get more out of your Ring, so check that out. I'll link it above. If this video was helpful at all, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, because I will be doing a review when the product comes out. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next one.